Hello guys, this is Luma. 1 week just gone, so it was really gone quickly. So I experienced several interesting events. I experienced several situations that I study in school and study in residence, and also I was able to cook diverse food, including chicken breast, Korean food. So, and then there's a equipment that I can cook any kind of food. So it's really convenient for me. I thought that I need to show you guys my meal plan. I only live in Toronto, student residence, a little bit, but I could show my daily routine meals. So this video is not for people who are diet or who are people gain more weight. It's just a pretty normal common Korean guys meal plan. So I show you guys just normal routine my meals in a lunchtime and a dinner time. So let's go. So I just finished to purchase my ingredient from North Face. So I bought several kind of ingredients, including chicken breast, pasta, onion, garlic, pasta sauce, Alfredo maybe, and eggs. So let's go to make a lunch. Today lunch is sandwich. Let's go. So finally finished to make today lunch. Eggs and hams, and then cheese with bread, and then french fries. So let's dig in. So good. Now it's 7:30, so I'm really starving. Let's go make a dinner. Finally, I finished to make my dinner. It is chicken breast stir-fried rice, and then this is tuna can with sriracha sauce. So let's dig in. It's so good. It's perfect for dinner. And then I was really starving, so now I'm much better. Today is day 2. It is lunchtime, so let's make a lunch. Let's go. Now I'm ready to eat. The rice, tuna with sriracha, and then there's a seasoned squid, and stir-fried chicken breast with cheese, and then sriracha sauce on it. So let's eat. Seaweed. And then I have a question. I'm really bad at math. How about you guys? You guys are great at math. In my school, there's a math class, and I learned about at least algebra. And then it's my first time to learn algebra, so I can understand how to process or how to calculate algebra properly. Makes me so feel bad. Please, somebody teach me about algebra. Oh my gosh, I hate the math. Chicken breast good. It is my specialty. I'm good at eating. Hate mathematics. Okay, now I finished my course today. Now it's 6:30, it's time to eat dinner. So let's go. This is today dinner, egg with rice, and then this is stir-fried pork with seasons. It is a Korean traditional food, and it is so sweety, spicy, good, and squid as well, and then seaweed. So let's dig in. So it is day 3 and it is lunchtime, so I'm going to make my lunch. Today I will make a chicken breast sandwich. So let's go. This is today lunch. So sriracha, ketchup, eggs, and chicken breast, and cheese, bread, toast bread, French fry. So let's dig in. It's time to eat dinner. Today I'm gonna make pasta. Yeah, it is pasta because I will use olive oil and garlic, some onion, but especially I put on pork belly in the pasta. Let's make my own version of pasta. So I made it. This is my own recipe pasta. Hi guys, it's day 5, so also lunchtime, so I'm gonna make today lunch. This is today my lunch, ramen and sandwich. Okay, let's dig in. So yeah, definitely it is dinner time. Today I'm going to eat pork lips. I will use oven to make pork lips. So let's go to make my dinner. This is today dinner. Oh, pork lips. Let's dig in. When I go to North Freeze, it is on sale, so I bought it. Like I supposed to buy 1 box of pork rib, but it discount 50%, so I purchased 2 boxes of pork rib. So it was really reasonable prices. So also it is lunchtime, and then it is day 5. And then today I'm going to make Alfredo pasta for lunch. So let's go. This is today my lunch. So let's dig in. So finally, this is the final of this video meal. I'm going to eat chicken with pizza for dinner. Let's go to eat my final meals in this video. This is today dinner, and also I cooking pizza. So let's eat chicken first. Here's the pizza. So I just finished to eat my dinner. It was really good, amazing. Like the chicken legs was crispy, tender, and spicy, so good. Pepperoni pizza is classic, so who's gonna dislike to eat pepperoni pizza? It was really great meal. This is my 5 days meal routine. And then I don't know you guys like it, but yeah, it is a little bit hard for me, but I'm really satisfied. This is all for today. Bye for now. Bye bye.